Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Nissan Sentra. First, gather all your tools and supplies, like new oil, a new filter, a wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is warm but not too hot for the best oil flow. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands to access the underside. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the plug. Let all the old oil flow completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it, tightening it firmly but without over-torquing. Next, move your drain pan under the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Take your new filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, locate and remove your engine's oil fill cap. Carefully pour in the recommended type and amount of new oil, usually around 4 to 5 quarts for a Nissan Sentra. Replace the cap, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick to ensure the level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.